Hi, good day. This is Edgardo Capellanes, a YouTube channel. We are going to continue with our discussion with our report pertaining to Pag-ibig Fund MP2 Savings Program Part 2, meaning that this is a continuation of the previous video which we did. Then we go to how to pay the Pag-ibig MP2 savings. Number 1, salary deduction for those employed. Then, number 2, over the counter in a branch or any Pag-ibig Fund branch nearest you. I will repeat. Over the counter in any Pag-ibig Fund branch nearest you. And number 3, accredited collection partners. And number 4, you may visit the Pag-ibig Fund email address. Visit www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. This is how to pay the Pag-ibig MP2 savings. Then we go to how much dividends will the Pag-ibig MP2 savings earn. We have your MP2 savings shall earn dividends at a higher rate than that of the regular Pag-ibig savings program. Number 2, the dividends you shall earn are tax-free. Then number 3, your dividends are derived from no less than 70% of the Pag-ibig Fund's annual net income. In order to know as to how much will be your MP2 dividends, we have here a sample computation. Sample computation for MP2 dividends that your MP2 savings may earn. First instant, supposing you have the so-called monthly remittance. You pay MP2 savings monthly. Supposing your monthly savings is 500 pesos. Then, your savings in 5 years will be 30,000 pesos for 5 years. How do we get it? 500 per month, multiply that by 12, then multiply that by 5. That would give you 30,000. The total savings in 5 years. Then, your total dividends earned. Supposing that the dividend rate is 6.96%. Take note that your total dividends will depend upon on the dividend rate. The assumed rate here is 6.96%. Then your total dividends at the end of 5 years will be 5,776 pesos and 68 centavos. Therefore, the total accumulative savings, I will repeat, total accumulated savings in 5 years. So you just add your saving in 5 years, 30,000 pesos, plus the total dividends. And it is 35,776 pesos and 68 centavos. So this is how to compute your MP2 dividends. Another condition, supposing your remittance is referred to as one-time remittance. And then supposing that the remittance is 30,000 pesos. Total dividends earned at 6.96% is 11,997 pesos and 95 centavos. So the total dividends, if you pay on one-time remittance basis, is higher as compared to monthly remittance. Although the total savings every year is the same, but this time, for one-time remittance, it is paid directly, which is equivalent to 30,000 pesos. And with this, the total dividends earned at 6.96% in 5 years again is 11,997.95. It is much higher than the monthly remittance. Finally, the total accumulated savings in 5 years is 41,997 pesos and 95 centavos. This is just a sample computation to determine your MP2 dividends, comparing monthly remittance to one-time remittance. If your value or the amount that you have received is other than 500 pesos monthly or one-time remittance 30,000, your total dividends would also be changed. Then, we go to the last item, which is very important to know. pertaining to MP2 saving programs. You can choose to receive your MP2 dividends through any of the following options. So the moment that your savings are already matured, meaning it is already 5 years, so you can choose to receive your MP2 dividends through any of the following options. Number 1, upon each 5-year maturity, with your MP2 dividends compounded, meaning that your dividends can be received at the end of 5 years, at the time of its maturity. Or, the second one, annually, meaning every year, with your MP2 dividends credited to your savings or checking account with Land Bank of the Philippines, LBP, Development Bank of the Philippines. I will repeat, Development Bank of the Philippines, DBP, or other banks that the Pag-ibig Fund may accredit in the future. For those who opt for annual dividends payout, but have no Philippine bank account, especially in the case of overseas members, MP2 dividends shall be released via check payable to the MP2 saver. So these are the options that you are going to choose regarding your MP2 dividends. That completes the entire report pertaining to Pag-ibig Fund MP2 Savings Program. The previous video is part 1 and we are doing part number 2. And lastly, I would like to request to subscribe the channel Edgardo Capillanes, click the bell, like, and share this video to others. And also, I would like to thank to those who were able to subscribe the channel already. Thank you very much.